Okay guys, finally it's time to paint now. As you can see, my garage is ready. I have filled all the cracks and they are looking good now, and also mopped with the water, as you can see here, and left it to dry for an hour or so. But it depends how wet is your garage is, and you can just leave it for more than that, like maybe a couple of hours or overnight. It's up to you. Making sure that the garage is properly dried before you put the paint on it. So what we need a roller board, roller, gloves, brush, paintbrush of different sizes, and a mask. And I have a blower also, so like I will do a small patch at a time and use the blower to blow any of the remaining dust, or any fine particles, and then I'll start my painting maybe from this end. Now it's time to mix the pouch. So what I'm doing here, there is a two parts, part A and part B. So we have to first mix each side by shaking it back and forth from corner to corner, and do it for maybe a couple of minutes, and then after that we'll combine part A and part B. Now combining, as it says, that you have to place the pouch on the ground and rolling it from part A side towards part B, and then the pressure created by rolling the pouch will force the middle seal to burst, allowing the two parts to mix together. So first let me mix each side. You have to squeeze each side of pouch. And now what I will do is I will roll the part A towards part B. Time to roll now. And now it has broken the seal. Now I will mix it by shaking it back and forth from corner. Try to push it from corner to the center like this. And after that I will cut a corner and pour a portion of it in the board, and we'll add also some anti-slip additive. Hi guys, as you can see, the garage floor looks like this now after 12 hours of drying. So I did left some of the cracks. I decided not to fill them or patch them. So cracks look like this. But if you want a perfect one, you guys can always go and patch the cracks before applying the coat. So it was A lot of hard work actually, but it paid off. The garage floor is looking really awesome now.